my chefs. Today we're making Chinese home-style chicken. It's my own recipe and it's gonna be very authentic and it will taste good. First of all, let's heat our wok. When the wok is on medium heat, add a bit of oil. Something like this. Heat the oil. After the oil, we add our marinated chicken. This chicken is made out of cooking wine, there's soy sauce, salt, and some black pepper, and some dry cornstarch. After that, we add our water in. We need a half a cup of water. We have to cook it for a while. When it's doing this, we add our sauce. It's soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and sesame oil, some salt, and stew. Let's cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, about 3 minutes later, we have our chicken almost cooked. Let's stir our water cornstarch. And let's put it in. So the starch should start absorbing water. When it's cooking to absorb a bit of the water, we do our second bit of cornstarch. You think that I'm like, how much cornstarch are you adding? Even though this is reasonable to make the dish look pretty. This time we need to add a bit less of starch and water. This step is to make the soup into sauce, like this. It's turning less and less. Now let's add some more cornstarch. This is the last bit of cornstarch we need to add. this should be the most. There should be the most starch in this one. I'll get a bowl ready. I'll get a plate ready for you. The last bit of the dish, add oil. Stir fry quickly and we are done. Stir fry with maximum fire for the last part. Really let the starch absorb. Turn down the heat. Okay, and we are done. Look at this nice and saucy chicken. It's very saucy. Even though, because we cooked it like that, it's gonna absorb with lots of flavor. Look at that. If you have, you can add some spring onion too. Now, as we've completed our chicken, let's stir it around. Taste so beautiful. And we've completed our Chinese home-style cooked chicken. Thank you for watching. And next time, I hope you enjoy my video.